Dr. Ajay Agrawal, Additional Director, Medicine Department, Fortis Noida. Well, the common reasons for the lack of fitness in women principally is because of the lack of time. Because they have got the pressure to reach to the workplace, so they are not able to do exercise. And moreover, many a times they have to look after the two fronts, both office and at home. So they are unable to focus on their health. And the stress level is high, so these are the pressures for which there is a lot of fitness issues. Primary reasons for weight gain, again, one, stress in itself is a primary reason in many females of the weight gain, for the weight gain. Number two is they are unable to do exercise. They are unable to go for morning walk, jog and all, so they are more prone to for the weight gain. Third is in between snacking. In case in people who are at office and they feel hungry, they tend to take more oily snacks than the people at home. At home you tend to take fruit or some curd or anything like that. At office sometimes you bite a samosa or a patty or something like that. These are the reasons for the weight gain. The steps that they can take to control weight, we can say there is the lifestyle modification. Everyone can find time, at least 15 minutes in a day for the exercise. If you are unable to find time for 45 minutes of morning walk, then you can use a treadmill at home, or you should start exercising for 15 minutes anywhere, whenever you get the time. I say we can call it NEAT or non-exercise assisted thermogenesis. We should try to walk more. Like in case you are in the office, you can call a person on the phone, you can walk to his or her desk. Same way, you can walk a block or two and you can park your car some 200 meters away from the building such that you are able to walk. You can climb stairs, you can climb down the stairs. These are the ways where you can keep on exercising. The dietary precautions that they should take is one, that they should take a good breakfast. And the breakfast should be more in protein, like oats. They can take sattu for that matter, and they should try to avoid oily stuffs. And in case they have to take snacks in the office, they can go for the fruits or low-calorie snacks. Another important thing that we should know is not that if we start taking very few meals or very small meals we lose weight. It is other way around. You should take small frequent meals every 2 hours, and your dinner should be at least 3 hours before bedtime. Then you can lose weight. The main advice for all the working women is that it is very difficult for a person to be excellent in all the fronts. So you should not take pressure. You are doing office job and you have to manage the home front. So thinking that you will excel in every field is very difficult. So you should try to compromise and you should think, okay, I can do my best in this way such that I will be able to manage both myself and my family. That way you will be able to reduce the pressure, the stress. We call it work-life balance. So work-life balance has to be maintained in order to reduce the stress and to maintain a good health.